Hello everyone, this is Blob testing Blob here with another Minecraft video. Today we are going to be exploring some seeds. This is going to be our second episode of this. Last episode we were going to make it into two episodes, two different parts. But I think I recorded quite a bit too much, and I just didn't want to deal with the editing, so I just did the first half, and I'm basically going to just redo the second half. But if you do want to see the original second half, if you get 3 likes, if this video does get 3 likes, I will put that original second half in here, but I will use some of the same seeds that I did discover from that excuse me, from that video. So in our first one, this was the one that we first did explore in that last video. So this one is I like science. So I called this one E equals MC squared, but I cannot put a squared sign there, so it's just going to be a 2. So here it actually turned out to be amazing. So, I forgot to turn on the show coordinates there. And I think it's still in survival, so yeah, that's a problem. So if you hear me and I'm like talking a little bit weird, that is because I have a sore throat. Can't really control that, guys. So, sorry if I do sound a little bit weird. But here, so yeah, the seed is also 656488068, but I think it's going to be a lot easier just to know it as E equals MC squared, just like everybody does that. And I still forgot to put it into creative. Wow, this is sad. Here we go. So, this has a flower forest at spawn right off the bat here. I think it's called the flower forest. And here, Mr. Enderman, how are you doing? Oh, just teleported into there. Look, even the caves have flowers in them here. So this is an amazing seed. The Enderman is staring into my soul. Excuse me, guys. I also have a cough. But here, we do have a floating island as well. And that floating island will be at it's probably like 2 blocks off the ground. It's at coordinates 123, 82, minus 115. So that's what the coordinates for that are at. We got another little floating island over here. And a pumpkin patch. Everybody loves pumpkins. Now we're just going to try to check for anything else. I might remember something, but I'm not sure. Wow, this is a huge sunflower patch. So many sunflowers, so many yellow dots everywhere. It's like, wow. But yeah, I do kind of remember this stuff. I think there was a ravine somewhere, but I'm not entirely sure, and I don't want this to be 20 minutes like it ended up being last episode. So I think I'm going to check out these seeds for less time and see. It still extends all the way over here. It's still going. This flower forest is still going. It ends nope, it doesn't end right about here. It still keeps going. Wait, or no, those are just normal flowers. Yeah, so this biome ends right here. For going that way, but it still goes up the hill. Over here. So this is a massive flower forest, guys. Well, in my case, I've never really explored flower forests that often, but they do look very, very pretty. So, yes, that seed is E equals MC squared. Now, let's go on to the next seed. Wait. There's a desert. I believe this is where we saw the ravine, but I'm going to check for a second. So, if you guys do want to explore this, you could, guys, I think you guys should do this yourself, because I don't want to spend 20 minutes on just trying to find this stuff in here, like last time. So, yeah, it's just a ravine. I think I will see you guys right at the next seed, right now. Okay, guys, I am back. This time I'm going to try to remember to put it into creative. So, here I'm going to put in the seed, and I just thought of something. Why isn't the seed? Let's try this out. I don't think that it's going to do very good, but let's just try it out. Because I do kind of remember actually trying something like this before, and it didn't really work. So, here we are. We start in a dark oak forest, guys, which this is good because this means that there is a potential for a woodland mansion. But it looks pretty small. And the mushrooms. Wow, yeah. A lot of mushrooms that I'm used to seeing. A lot more mushrooms than I'm used to seeing. So, right here, there is a ravine. Pretty small one to be, what's it called? Whatever. Yeah, so this is a pretty small ravine. Well, it extends pretty far, but it's not very deep at all. Yeah, so this ravine will be at coordinates -29, 65, 257. So that is the coordinates for that ravine. I also see a desert over here. So the scene C doesn't really seem to be too exciting here. Unless you want to, like, commit suicide on one of these cacti. Like, yeah, I'm gonna be taking damage here. Okay, so we do have, a lizard. Oh, I almost said a lizard. We have a little desert well right here. So, most people don't actually appreciate these things, but these are actually very, very rare. So, on here, the coordinates for this is going to be at 40, 68, 559. So, over here, I don't really see anything else except for this river here, which normally when you follow the river, something good happens. But, you know, I find it pretty ironic that they have a well right next to a river. It's like, oh no, I need water, and then it's like 1,000 years later, that's when they realize that they have a river, literally right here. So yeah, I'm gonna try to head back to spawn wherever that is. Look at this huge. This mushroom is going to be huge. Yeah, that's a huge mushroom, guys. So, where's that one plains biome that I saw earlier? Here's a plains biome, just normal plains biome. I'm gonna see if there's anything special in here. But it doesn't really look like it, so the seed isn't really that good, guys. So I think I am going to move on to the next seed. Wait, there's a huge plains biome right here. Oh, never mind, it's mostly swamp. Get out of my swamp, and there's another ravine. Yay! See this one? It's not really that big of a... Wait, mossy cobblestone. This is a dungeon. of spiders, a spider dungeon at coordinates 505, 52, 276. And in these chests, quite a bit of stuff. It has an enchantment book of Infinity 1 for bows. And yeah, it has wheat, rotten flesh in that chest as well. And in here we got a music disc cap. And we also got an enchantment book for efficiency 3 and iron horse armor. And also, just redstone, some of that stuff there. So, yeah, the coordinates for that will be there. Whoops, I accidentally broke that block. But yeah, that's probably just going to be it for that seed, and I will see you guys at the next seed. Okay, guys, I am on the next one. I'm going to put this into creative. Excuse me, guys, I have a sore throat. So I'm going to put coordinates on, and I'm going to name this seed Star Wars because I love Star Wars. Star Wars. Da, 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 da. I play Minecraft every day, and it's fun. Okay, so this is gonna take. Oh no, it's not gonna take forever. Right? It might. Yep. There we go. So Star Wars. It's pretty blank. Is this what people think of Star Wars? Just blank grass. Well, we do have a birch forest here. The lava pit. Maybe they think that I should burn. Nope, I don't like that. Okay, so here. This is almost a cross. So, yeah, that's pretty weird. Let's go. We got some flowers over here. And a river. And we have a village. Yes, I love villages. Is this double villages? There's double villages, guys. One of them has a blacksmith. So, the first village that we found is at coordinates. This is going to be our last one, by the way. So, this is at coordinates 709, 72, negative 475. And here, this is the other village right here. This is at coordinates 660, 69, minus 588. So we are just going to check out this blacksmith real quick, and that will be it for this video. In the blacksmith. Wow, there are going to be 5 diamonds, 4 obsidian, an iron chest plate, and 4 apples. I'm just gonna take those off of myself. Yeah, okay. So I think I will see you guys all later. Bye.